Hey everybody, this is Ray, and I want to tell you about a great piece of software that I've recently discovered that can help you to build a website for your business without knowing any coding, without doing any graphic design, and you will have the website up in just a few minutes. It's called CloudLGS, and it absolutely rocks. Let's take a look at how it works. Okay, so here we are at the CloudLGS.com website, and I've actually gone into some of the sample sites here so you can kind of get an idea of some of the different templates that they have available for you for building your business website. But what we want to do is we want to get right in there and show you how simple it is to do. So I'm going to start off by setting up a free trial. As you can see, you've got a 15-day free trial here. You can put in your company name, and I will just put in Ray the Video Guy, and we'll call it Ray the Video Guy .cloudlgs.com. First name Ray, last name Lane, phone number, I won't say that out loud, email, and we'll put in a password. And hit submit, and we will have our account set up. You can see here we've got it set up for the 15-day trial, and all we have to do is go and check our email. I won't put you through all that because you know how that works. Okay, so now that you have confirmed your email, what you're going to do is log in, and once you do, you're going to come to this main page here, and as you can see, it's got pictures already loaded in there. I've already made some additions to this, but I'm going to show you exactly how I made those changes. So for instance, you've got a slideshow right in the center here. And in order to change the slideshow, all you need to do is change these images down below it. And the way we do that is we click this small edit icon right there, and a window will pop up, and you'll be able to not only change the text that goes on there, so we could put almost anything we wanted here. Whatever it happens to be. And then we can actually change the image by clicking on the image that's there now, and we can choose another image. Okay, so we could choose something such as this. Oh my hell. Okay, so you can see here our image is loaded, and now what we need to do is we need to crop that image and choose the portion that we want here. So let's say we wanted to get this section right here. Hit crop, and then hit save, and there we go. And once it cycles through the rest of these here, you'll see that our image will be in the slideshow as well. And there we are. And if we want to change another one, we do the same thing. And you can also choose free images that LGS has on here, so we can choose a few different things. Let's find one that we like. So let's say this girl here, for whatever reason we wanted to use her. Once again, we just crop that and hit crop and save. And this also works for all of our images that are below as well. So if we click any of these, we can choose another image. Crop it down again. You can also, of course, change here. We could change this to carpets. Hit crop. And when that's done, we hit save. And now you can see we have our carpets image and the carpets text here that's changed. And that goes for all of these images, and also down here. Although down here it's a little bit different because we can actually add video, as you can see here. And I'm going to show you how we do that. If you click the edit icon there, you'll see that there's a box type here. We can choose an image, or we can choose a video. And once we choose a video, all you have to do is paste the embed code here. Now for the embed code, all you do is you go to your video, and you hit the share button, embed, and you'll see that right here it's already highlighted, so all we do is copy it,
Go back to our page and paste it in there, which it already is. Hit save, and you'll have a video in that box. And you can do the same thing on the other box as well and put a video in there. Now on the bottom, you'll notice that we also have our social media icons, and this allows you to connect with all of your social media. Now you can see we've got Google Plus and Facebook and Foursquare and LinkedIn, etc., etc., etc. But let's say we don't have a Better Business Bureau account. Click the X, and Better Business Bureau goes away. Now, if you want to edit any of these, simply hit the edit button. So for instance, our YouTube account. And when that pops up, you can just put the link to your YouTube channel. And hit update. And now if anybody clicks this particular box, it's going to take them to our YouTube channel. So now let's take a look at some of the other things we can edit on here. Obviously up here we've got our logo. Again, just like any image, if you click the edit icon, we can choose another logo. So let's find another logo here. Let's say we want to use this one here, right here. Open that up. See, it'll pop in there. And hit crop. Then we can choose the size. In this case, we'll choose medium. We'll hit save. Now, in this particular case, we're going to see in just a second that this is a JPEG with a white background. And that's okay because we can actually change that as well. Simply clicking this button will turn off the background. And now it fits right in with the white background. Of course, if you do turn on the background, you do have a bunch of different colors that you can choose from for that banner. Okay, now the next thing that I want to show you is that we can actually change all of this information here. So for instance, we've got home, about us, and contact us. If we click that, we can change those to whatever we'd like. So we can just go in and edit those. And also our call button here, we can change the phone numbers. Hit the check mark. And hit the check mark here. And we've made those changes. And the same goes for the banner over here. If we click this, we can change this to whatever we want. Hit the check mark. And we'll see that that's changed. And the same goes for our menu items. If we click the edit button here, we can change these to whatever we'd like. Of these laminates to counters. Hit publish changes. And there we go. We now have different menus. And of course, you can add pages in here by simply hitting add page. You can choose the style and the layout that you like. So for instance, if you like this with an image there, you just hit create page. And that'll take you to a specific page. You can change your image just like you did on the other pages by hitting the edit button. But as you can see with all of this, these are, it's just so incredibly easy to make changes with this, with CloudLGS. You know, adding images and changing text. It just makes the whole entire process extremely simple. Hit the crop button. And hit save. But as you can see, you know, you can change all the text on here. Once again, it still shows our social media, our video, and our email the expert down here. Our phone number is still in the top here. Now I want to show you one other thing. As you can see here, there's a button here, and this will be on all of your pages, and it says SEO. If we click on that, this is where you can add your title, your meta tags, your meta descriptions. And what these are is this is your keywords. So for instance, if you are a flooring expert in Houston, you'd want to do keyword research, but basically, you know, Houston flooring. And you want to do this individually for each page. So maybe you're Your main page, you would put Houston Home Products or something of that nature. And on the flooring page, you'd put Houston Flooring. And the tags, same thing. Houston Flooring, wood floors. And this just helps the search engines to find your business on the web when people are searching for businesses in that area or whatever your keyword is, that you'll show up. And the meta description, this is a short description of the page. So again, if you're looking for a Houston flooring company, we have all types of flooring. Now, obviously, you're going to want to research that a little better than I did there, but you get the idea. And this is on every page that you can do this, so you can have unique SEO'd titles, tags, and descriptions for each page, and it'll just help in the search engines for customers to find your website. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to use CloudLGS to make a great website really, really fast. Not only a great looking website, but a website that has SEO characteristics and has all the changeability that you could possibly need to make a website that's custom designed specifically to you and your business. So if you're looking for a way to create a website fast and efficiently, CloudLGS.com is easily the simplest way and the best way to go about creating that website for your business.